Look at these stairs. This is one of the most insane hikes in LA, and last time I was here, I only made it up halfway before I bailed on it because I was too tired. But I have heard that the view from the top is incredible, and this exoskeleton is supposed to help me get to the top with ease. So let's test this out, and later I will also see if it can even replace an e-bike. This is the Hypershell X Ultra S, and it's the world's most intuitive exoskeleton. It looks pretty sci-fi-y, and it kind of is, because it's supposed to basically make your legs feel stronger and help with your endurance. When I first got the package, I was surprised by how lightweight it felt and how small it seemed. There's just a carrying case inside, which holds the exoskeleton in a very compact way. This case is super handy. And here's the exoskeleton. The battery is on the back of the waist strap, and it's removable, but you also get an additional battery, which can fit right here in the carrying case. This exoskeleton charges via USB-C, and you do get a cable included. Now, this might look complicated, but it was pretty easy and quick to put this on. After you adjust it to your size, it's just one buckle up here and then one more for each leg. During the first time setup, the Hypershell app will guide you through the proper ways to wear this and how the controls work. The app with the videos and the graphics is probably the nicest manual out there. So this has a few different modes, which I will test out later in this video. But overall, it was quick and simple, and now I'm ready to go. Now that I've been wearing this Hypershell X Ultra S for a bit, the standout feature of the Ultra model is that the back rod is made of titanium alloy and the leg rods are carbon fiber. That makes this super light while still feeling very sturdy. And the carbon fiber pattern looks so sleek too. Now, this entire thing with the battery in weighs just over 5.5 pounds or 2.5 kilograms. So while it certainly feels like I'm wearing something, it doesn't feel like a super heavy fanny pack, especially because it's also very well supported with these leg rods. And the waist area is very well padded, but not too bulky. So it feels nice and comfortable. I can still sit down pretty normally without feeling like I'm carrying a big package behind me. And putting this on also became very simple to do. Once I've adjusted the straps to my size, it's really just 3 clicks and then I'm in. As for the controls, they're fairly simple too. Powering on and off, adjusting the power amount, and switching between the modes can actually all be controlled by this single button. You do have to memorize the sequences, but once you know them, being able to control everything with just this one button makes it feel super easy. But of course, you can also control everything in the Hypershell app, which has a pretty nice and simple interface. And notice here, the mode I'm currently in is called Hyper Intuition. Hypershell says that the X Ultra S is the world's most intuitive exoskeleton, and the key technology behind it is Hyper Intuition. It's a motion control algorithm that uses end-to-end AI to understand your intentions so that the assistance that it gives you feels the most natural and precise. Instead of the older method where you select what activity you're doing, Hyperintuition automatically detects what you're doing. And you can see it detects when I'm just idle, when I start walking, and when I climb stairs. Hypershell says it can respond in just 0.3 seconds and achieves 97.5% gait synchronization across varied terrain. And these claims are verified by TUV Rhineland Laboratory, which is an industry first. But what do these numbers actually mean, and how does it feel on a climb? Let's go test it out at this infamous hike in LA. It's not a long one, but it is hard because it's just stairs going straight up. And the steps are pretty uneven, so it's not just like doing the Stairmaster. Let's see if the X Ultra S with Hyperintuition can keep up and move in sync with me. For a baseline, I'm going to start with the Hypershell in transparent mode, which means that it's powered on, but it's not doing anything. And immediately, this is why these stairs are famous. It does not take that long before your legs start burning. Whew, these stairs are no joke. I'm already starting to feel it. Hypershell says the X Ultra S can lower average heart rate by up to 42% and reduce oxygen consumption by up to 39%. All right, so I just turned on the eco mode to start this next portion of the stairs. This mode can give you up to 8 hours of walking. Whoa, these steps are so big. But with the Hypershell, I really do feel it helping me lift my leg. Like whenever I lift my leg, I can feel the force. Looks like I'm already leaving my cameraman in the dust behind there. This really isn't fair.
Exactly how it feels with the exoskeleton on is with each step, it feels like it's helping to pull my leg up and then push it back down. And I can feel the assistance come in right when I'm just lifting my leg and just putting it down. It definitely feels very synchronized with my motions.
Okay, so I'm about halfway and the view is already looking amazing. It's such a nice and clear day today. And this thing, I'm surprised by how much it helps because I basically don't feel gas at all. And this has never happened. Last time I was here, I was out at this point, but we still have about halfway to go. Oh my gosh, look at this behind me.
Okay, now let's switch over to the higher powered hyper mode. You do get less battery life in this mode, but it's very powerful. The peak power is 1000 watt.
I'm definitely feeling it more. These steps are so steep. Wow. The last part of this really is the toughest part.
I'm impressed by how seamless the assistance from the X Ultra S feels. Even though lots of the steps are uneven, it's still able to synchronize basically perfectly with my movements.
Whenever I lift my leg, it just immediately starts the upward force, and then whenever I put my legs back down, it's immediately the downward force. So even for super steep and uneven steps, it's helping a lot. Okay, I'm almost at the top. I'm literally 3 steps away from the very top. Okay, I made it. Woo! Look at how steep this is. Honestly, I can't believe I made it all the way up. With the Hypershell X Ultra S, this really wasn't too bad. I definitely feel it, so it's still a workout, but I made it to the top, which I wasn't able to do before, so this really helps to increase my endurance and allows me to take on much harder trails or any route that's much longer and would require a lot more endurance than I have naturally. In fact, I still feel good enough to go on a bike ride right now, so let's head back down and also meet my cameraman who is at the halfway point waiting for me right now. All right, I've made it to the beach and let's go biking now.
And this was when being able to control everything with a single button came in especially clutch. I was able to reach down and adjust the mode along with how much power it's giving me, all while still being balanced on the bike.
Whoa, these feel great on a bike as well. It feels very well synchronized with my legs. I'm able to set the bike at a much higher gear, so the X Ultra S is giving essentially extra power to my legs. Okay, so I've biked quite a long way now, and I got here much faster than I usually do, and I really don't feel that tired. This thing basically transforms a regular bike into an e-bike because your legs are essentially e-powered.
So far, I've tried the Eco and Hyper modes, but what's interesting is there's a third mode called Fitness. And this one is the opposite. Instead of helping you, it adds resistance.
All right, so I've just turned the Fitness mode on, and right now I have it maxed out to really feel how it feels. And the best way that I can describe this sensation is that it feels like I'm walking in water. I feel like this thing is just pushing down on my legs, so giving it some resistance. And well, if you ever try walking in a pool, this is kind of how it feels.
So say I want to take a chill walk along the beach, but I want it to be more of a workout. That's where the Fitness mode comes in. All right, so this is my experience with the Hypershell X Ultra S. I plan on doing lots of biking and hiking this summer, and I'm excited to use this and take on longer and more challenging routes. Check it out at the link below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.